So you've got a slow drain and water sitting in your sink. It either is slow or plugged. This one's just slow. Today on Josh's Garage, I'm going to show you how to clean out this drain manually or mechanically without use of chemicals or inherent abrasives in less than 5 minutes. Stay tuned. First thing you got to do is put one of these on. Next, make sure there's nothing in the sink. Clean it out. Use a towel if you need to, because any water that's trapped up here that's leaking down the drain that we're about to open up is going to land on your face. Clean out below the sink all the random stuff that you have sitting down here under your sink so that you can access to the drain pipes. Now that we're here under the sink, the first thing you want to do is get a hold of this guy here, this little spring clip. Slide it off the back of this arm, like so, and reduce this lever that controls moving your plunger up and down, which controls this, which moves your plunger up and down. Next thing is take this guy and unscrew it. I just done it with my fingers. You might need a light wrench, but it's just finger tight here. And remove this cap and this ball. Now this goes in and controls and moves the plunger in up and down. And let's go back up top. And this is the moment we've been waiting for, the reveal. Hide your small ones, cover your eyes, unless they're the small ones that made the mess using these toothbrushes. But let us see what is clogging this drain. Oh no, gross. So that's the culprit. Toothpaste, hair, gunk, skunk, whatever this is. So I'm just going to clean this off, reinstall it, and show you how it goes back together. And this is what it should look like. Now that we have our stopper cleaned, we're going to reinstall it. But it's important that you make sure that this little loop on the bottom is installed perpendicular to the arm that's going to go in and engage that loop at the bottom. So let me just show you live action how this is all done. So we install this back in, like so. And then down below we place the arm back in this socket. I just want to make sure that while I move this arm, that the stopper moves up and down.
Hello, please feed me some toothpaste.
And the assembly is just the reverse of disassembly. You run this cap back on, finger tight, and then test it, because you can actually, if it's too tight to pull up and down, it'll be hard to move the stopper up and down. So I loosen it just a little bit. Oh, okay, that feels pretty good. But you don't want it so loose that water will leak out of here. So it's a fine line. Just find that balance where water doesn't leak out, but it's easy enough to move up and down. And then I'll see if I can do this one-handed. Maybe, maybe not. And then with the handle all the way down, pulled down at the top of the sink, that would be the down position for this plunger. You find the right hole. I'm sorry, for the stopper. I should be saying stopper. I think I'm saying plunger for this hole. I think we're going to try this one. And this is just a matter of experimentation, unless you just remembered which hole you used when you took it apart. So I will place that here with that down all the way. The plunger's up all the way. Let's see how she works. All right, plunger, boom, 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 drainage, no leakage. Yes. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please subscribe below and continue watching Josh's Garage. Thanks.